Using Asana for project management is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Asana is a powerful project management tool that can be used to its fullest potential. It helps in efficiently managing and organizing your projects. And it can even be helpful for academic tasks. To begin your journey, click on the Get Started button. Once there, you'll be asked to enter your email address, a simple but important step to start using Asana. Alternatively, you can choose to sign up with your Google account if you're already logged in. Asana wants to make the process as flexible and user-friendly as possible. After successfully signing up, you'll see a welcome screen where you can provide your full name. This helps personalize your Asana experience. You'll also be asked to select your main role, whether you're primarily a project manager or have other roles. Choose your role and click Continue. Then it will ask for the kind of work to do. You can select as many options as you want from the list given below. It will help them know your work type. Asana is designed to adapt to your unique work style and preferences. After that, you will need to select your main objective in Asana. After selecting that, you need to click on the Continue button to go to the next page. Once you're in the Asana dashboard identified as a project and process manager, it's time to create your first project. It will guide you through the process of project creation with clarity and precision. Think for a moment about a project you're currently working on, either with your team or individually. It could be any project that you want to manage more efficiently with Asana. Click Continue to go next. Asana will ask you to identify key tasks related to your project. These tasks are like the building blocks of your project, helping you create a concrete action plan. For example, you might list tasks such as live streaming for May, schedule posts for Instagram, and create a Facebook giveaway. Then click on the Continue button. Asana makes it easy to map out these tasks. There's more. Asana encourages you to group these tasks into logical sections or stages, similar to chapters in a book that help you understand the story. Asana provides default sections like To Do, Doing, and Done, but you can customize them to fit your workflow. For example, Idea, Doing, and Done. With your project structure in place, you'll be asked to choose how you want to lay out your tasks: list, board, timeline, or calendar. The board layout is notable for its drag and drop feature, making task management a breeze. Imagine moving your project components from one column to another with ease. That's the level of convenience Asana offers. Once your project's foundation is set, verify your email address, a simple but essential step. You can also invite team members to your Asana workspace to enhance collaboration, but this step is optional if you're working solo. Asana provides dedicated apps for your mobile and desktop if you want a fully immersive experience, but they're not mandatory to start benefiting from Asana's features. Feel free to explore these options and decide what works best for you. What sets Asana apart is the generous 30-day free trial without the need to provide a credit card. With just a few clicks, you can start your Asana journey with confidence. Click on Let's Get Started, and before you know it, your project or whatever you're working on will be well organized and ready for collaboration. As you go into Asana's features, you'll discover the ability to create and manage goals, invite team members, track progress, customize your workspace, and integrate various applications to streamline your workflow. It is very easy to explore various features of My Tasks, Inbox, Portfolios, Goals, Reporting, Project Management, and My Workplace from its dashboard. In addition to project management, Asana's robust reporting features let you gain insights into your team's progress, track data, and make informed decisions to improve your project's performance continually. If we head towards the My Workplace section, here we have access to add members, projects, and templates, which allows us to share our project with different members of our team. From the About Us, you can add a team description. Next, we have Goals. This section allows us to set and achieve strategic goals to help teams prioritize and connect work to your organization's objectives. By clicking on Add Goal, you can add the goal title, members, and all the other details given on that page. Let's say I'm adding a goal of reaching 10K subscribers into YouTube. Right after adding it, I will need to set a time period for it, and then set privacy. I can also share this goal with my team if I want. But if it is my personal goal, I will keep the privacy to myself only. Right below it, there are options of update method, measurements, current value, and target value that help us to reach our goal with more accuracy. Now, you just need to hit the Save Goal button to save these changes. This is how it will show us the path of reaching our goal. You can also edit progress settings later if you want any changes in it. Right below it, there is an option to add a sub-goal, which you can attach to your main goal. Make sure its value should be less than your main goal. So, it will be encouraging to reach your main goal by fulfilling these sub-goals. The best thing about Asana is that it allows you to do complete customization of your project. Here, it allows you to move cards from one section to another, which makes it more convenient to remember what things we have done and what things we need to work on. Just like this, you can move tasks from idea to doing and to done or whatever sections you have chosen for your project. If you need more customization, click on the Customize button from the top right corner. Here you can add fields, rules, apps, forms, and task templates for your recent project. As a bonus, Asana offers a wide range of apps in the Add Apps section, allowing you to connect with other productivity tools like Slack, Gmail, Outlook, Teams, and more. These apps can boost your efficiency and simplify your workflow, helping you centralize your activities and communication. So Zoom is a browser integration that is actually like helping us a lot. Just click on its app and you can select Add to Project. After that, select Connect to Zoom. Lastly, allow it permission to be integrated with your Asana project. Sign in to your Zoom account. After that, you don't need to go into the Zoom app directly. It will be integrated with your Asana account, making you enabled to access Zoom with Asana and inviting your team to have a meeting. You can go into the signing section, download all the applications, sign in once again, and join the conversation. So here in Asana, everything is going to be open, so we don't have to do absolutely anything. That's the reason we want to focus on browser integrations. And of course, we can add YouTube. We can add a whole lot of integrations, depending on the project you have here into Asana. Another thing that Asana offers is the complete customization of your homepage. You can totally change this page as per your needs and preferences. And lastly, what I just want to show you is the reporting section. So if you're starting with a team, you can track how your team and project is working. It's all the insight of what's happening here and how you can improve your work and performance. You can actually measure anything here. The data across a team's project and everything. So I just need to click on Get Started and here is my project. And as you can see, I have 9 tasks left to do. To sum it up, this overview only scratches the surface of what Asana can do. As you explore further, you'll find that its user-friendly interface, customization options, and advanced features make it a vital tool for enhancing project management and productivity. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite tips and tricks.